Hi my lovely crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful and realistic baby's breath flowers. They are delicate, elegant, and perfect for decorating your flower pots, vases, bouquets, or even gifting it for someone special. Don't worry if you're a beginner, this pattern is very easy and I'll go step by step, nice and slow, so you can comfortably follow along. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and green acrylic double knit yarn. We'll start with the green yarn. Chain 5. Now slip stitch into the first chain to form a small ring. You should now have a tiny ring like this. Chain 1 and work 20 to 25 single crochet stitches inside the ring. Take your time and spread them evenly around the ring. This will create a nice full base for our flower. Now we're going to change to white yarn. Attach the white yarn with a slip stitch and chain 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch, but only in the outer loop. Keep going until you finish all the outer loops. Now you can see the inner loops are still visible. chain 1, slip stitch into one of the inner loops, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next inner loop. Continue the same pattern all the way around using the inner loops. This gives the flower a fuller and more realistic look. Once finished, fasten off and cut the yarn. Now gently hide the yarn ends neatly at the back. And that's it! One tiny baby's breath flower is done. You can make as many flowers as you like. The more you make, the fuller your bouquet will look. Now let's turn this into a beautiful stem flower. For this, I'm using a 0.7mm wire. Bend on one end of the wire slightly to create a small hook like so. Apply a little glue to the bent end. Carefully insert it into the center of the flower. Hold it gently until it sticks nicely. Once secure, take your green yarn and start wrapping it around the wire to create the stem. Add a little glue at the beginning and the end to secure it properly. And there you go, your first baby breath stem. Now you can attach 3 flowers together to make a small bunch. Attach the 3 flowers to make a small bunch. Then make another small bunch. After that, twist the 2 bunches together to create a fuller arrangement. You can leave it simple and minimal like this, or combine all your little bunches together to create a big, beautiful bouquet. It's completely up to you and your preference. I absolutely love how soft and realistic these baby's breath flowers look. They're perfect for adding a delicate touch to any crochet arrangement. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your crochet friends. Let me know in the comments how many flowers you made and what you're planning to create with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial video.